Hello, Ankit. Can you hear me? Hello, Ankit. Can you hear me? Welcome. Hello, Ankit. Can you hear me? I'm not able to hear you, Ankit. Can you write it on chat? Are you there? Okay, so I'm not able to see you. I'm not able to hear you. Okay, so how do we communicate? Because we are only two people, so we cannot talk also. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so you do one thing, you write, and I will say, so this is just an introductory class. Please get your mic correct because when we start our regular course, it will be interactive course. Initially, like I may mute you, but that should be interactive. You should take participate actively participate in all this discussion. So we will start. Let's see. Let me share my screen. What was that? So first of all, I would like to like give you an outline of the course. That how shall we proceed? This will be like two classes will be there twice a week. Most probably
Hello,
whatever.
sir.
Okay, yeah.
Will you hear me now?
Yeah, now I can hear you. Good. Okay, so do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, sure. So this is basically outline of the course. So initially, what shall we discuss? This is actually outline of the basic course. Okay, and that would
Okay, sir.
4 weeks course. And after this, more advanced course and concepts will be there. And this course will last for 6 months. This course is
Okay.
basically like basic courses like we first we keep on learning this course and then we practice it and then we trade into market. Advanced courses like simultaneously we practice, we trade in the market, we practice and we learn because those are the advanced concepts that can only be like learned by practice only and by trading in the market.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so here is the
Yes, sir.
outline. Initially, what I would like to what we will discuss is the psychology and mindset of the traders. Nobody like I have myself like attended so many seminars and courses. Nobody would like to discuss the psychology and mindset. These are some proven techniques, proven methods to handling your emotions and like how to control your mindset when we are in profits and when we are in loss and how to practice these things. This will most probably this will take 2 or 3 classes and sometimes may take 4 classes also, but this is the main part of this course. Once we master our
Yes, sir.
psychology, then everything else is like piece of cake. Everything else is secondary. Acha,
Oh,
tell me one thing. How much technical analysis do you know? Are you you starting it, or you know something
Sir,
like candlestick, you know indicators, and you have learned something?
it was just the beginning. I didn't know the technical words in it. I
Okay.
just do some little bit of.
Mhm. Okay, so after this after this psychological thing, what I would like to take is um, this presentation, which I had designed somewhere around 2000 and 2002, 3, somewhere like that. So this is a basic course of introduction of technical analysis. Okay, it is like here also I wanted to. This is much basic psychology, which
Yes, sir.
but I now I take much advanced how to control your emotions and everything. These are like golden rules. And then from here we start our technical analysis and everything. All all these things you will learn, and then you will learn the basics of trading.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so here we are,
Okay.
and then after that, yeah, once this technical analysis is over, chart patterns are there, trend lines and everything, and what is open interest. This is also one of the very important concept. Open interest and Jodi Bhav. Jodi Bhav is also one of very powerful concept, especially in futures and options. And then Elliott wave and Gann theory, basics of Elliott wave and Gann theory. And options basics, like the webinar that you attended, it is a very basic thing. There is much more thing in options trading. These are for options trading, and after that,
Yes.
so this course, this all these topics take somewhere around 4 to 5 weeks. Once like you understand all these things, then we will go
Yes, sir.
for advanced things.
Okay.
Okay. This is major
Yes,
and
sir.
advanced things are.
Sir, it is also had in मतलब long term investing, no?
Yes, trading as well as long term investing.
Yes.
It will have everything. Stop share. Okay, now here we are. I cannot see you. Have you like stopped your video? Even then,
No,
there's
sir,
no.
I haven't start today. I will on my video from next class.
Okay, sure, no problem. Here is the thing. And like now, if you have any questions, you ask me questions, and you have any doubts or your expectations, we will discuss that.
So my expectation was to learn the trading for short term and by side the investing also. So that to make the long
Okay.
term wealth.
Okay. Here you will learn everything. Short term,
And
short term trading, especially when trade is going against us, how to repair that trade. This is what the major part of that, like so that we can minimize our losses, or at least we cover our losses and exit with some profits. Most
yes, sir.
importantly, how to exit when we are in loss, how to exit with some profits. If profit is not there, so how to exit with the minimum of the losses. These things we will learn, and for long-term investing, I will also teach you how to identify multi-bagger stocks, those who are likely to like go much higher in long term, 4 years, 5 years, or 10 years of time.
Yes. My main aim was to learn trading is I do it as a side work,
Yeah.
not the full time. It was like a part time. I analyze the stocks at night, and I can do it on day like that.
Yes, you will be able to do that. You will do that. Like it's not like me that you keep on staring at the trading terminal all the time when market is there, and after that, because I have a passion for trading. So even after the market is closed, I keep on looking all the charts. Almost like I check almost all the charts in future segment every day. Whether I get something or not, whether I understand something or not, I would just like to watch how each and every stock behaved today, along with the market, with respect to the market. How the Nifty behaved today, why Nifty. Yeah, I don't. One more thing, I do not go for why is that happening. I just see what is happening in the market. That is what we should focus on. We should go on focusing what is happening in the market. Why something has happened, maybe like we may come to know after some time, 10, 15 days, something like that. This is also, I will teach you that how to be more focused.
So,
Anything else you want to learn? You want to discuss?
no, sir, right now, not anything to ask now.
Okay, sure. So let me give you a brief idea.
Yes, sir.
Let's discuss how. Open ho ja. It's not opening. We can do it here as well. तो कुछ है। This also I will teach you. Yeah, in webinar also I taught you how to scan for stocks for next day trading. Here I will teach you how to scan for trades, those who are likely to grow over the period of time, 4 5 years, multi-bagger stocks, so that you can invest them for long term. Here it is. This is Nifty's chart.
Sir, I have an account in Upstock. It is okay now.
Hmm?
I have a Demat account in Upstocks.
Yeah, sure, no issues. Upstocks is also okay, no problem. This is actually a basic chart. Okay, it is.
Yes.
This is called one candle, and there is time period for period for each candle. If we like, we can make it. This is an hourly chart. So in our one candle represents 1 hour, like 9:15 to 10:15, 10:15 to 11:15, something like that. If I want to see 1 hour chart, how the Nifty behaved, if by each minute, this one is for 1 minute, like from 2:57 to 2:58, then here it is 2:58 to 2:59, how this actually behaved. So from like 1 minute, we can go for 15 minutes or 1 hour. So this is daily. So this one candle is daily candle. So throughout the day, how market behaved.
So it means
Now,
whichever option I select, it shows the chart of time interval.
yeah, that we will discuss hourly or 4 hour or daily or weekly. For long term, we go for weekly. Sometimes we go for daily also. So this actually basically what I want to say, irrespective of the time period, we see the patterns in the market. This is a daily chart. This one candle represents one day. We go for 5 minutes. Each candle is for 5 minutes. If we are day trading, our time period is very short. We go for 5 minutes. Sometimes we may go for 15 minutes. So each candle is 15 minutes. Basically, what do? We learn some basics, we learn some principles and trading rules, and we follow them depending on our. We follow those rules depending on our requirement. Okay, for short term,
Okay.
you will follow the same rules but on different time frame, and for long term, you will follow the same rules on higher time frame, daily or weekly time frame.
It also helps in intraday trading.
Yes, that's what I am explaining you. Intraday trading also. Like we follow same rules. Like there may be some specific rules for day trading, some specific rules for long-term trading, but more or less we follow more or less same rules depending on the time frame, whether we are doing intraday trading or we are doing long-term investing. We follow more or less most of the trading rules. We follow them, and this time zone, this time frame is like we decide what is our criteria, what is our requirement. Okay. For short-term trading, intraday trading, it may be 5 minutes or 15 minutes. For long-term trading, it may be daily or hourly or 4 hours or weekly. Okay. Any more questions you have? And
Yes,
then
sir.
we learn specific set of rules. Like in technical trading, I have learned like almost all the indicators, all the things, all the combo of indicators. But after learning each and everything in last 25 or 23 years, I have summarized some of the things that what works in the market for me at least, and what combination of indicators that have worked for me that I will teach you. Maybe like out of 100% of technical analysis or technical arena, what I will teach you was what 10, 15 or 20% thing that worked for me, and we will touch basics of each and everything, like 50 or 60% of everything in technical analysis, and then after out of that 60%, what exactly 10 or 15 or 20% that is working for me till today, I will teach you that.
Okay.
Okay, so once we learn everything, then we will go for most specific things so that we know we should know what exactly is happening in the market.
Yes.
Anymore, this is actually I usually take introductory classes on Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Usually when there is a batch, I take this and I go into introduction in much detailed time. But here I think this introduction is sufficient. Or if you want to know anything else, we can discuss that.
No, sir, not from this graph. So the blue candle shows the uh,
Up days,
hike in price.
yeah, up days. Like this is actually for a candle. Okay, this is open, this is close, and all these wicks. This is called wicks. These lines. This is low and this is high. So when a candle is blue, it opened lower and closed higher than the open. It went high up to this mark, this level, went down up to this level and closed higher. Same thing with red. It opened here, went up till here, went low till here, and closed just near the low. Same thing, opened here, went all the way down there, then went up, came up, but closed just below the opening, open of this candle. Same thing, it opened here, closed here, went up here, closed down a little bit from the low high, and closed near to the high. Here it is opened lower. It did not go down after opening, and did not. And as soon as it kept on going up, and closed at the high of this time frame, 11:30 or this is 11:15. For this 15 minutes, it just kept on going up. So each and every candle, it also signifies something. You can decide. You can term your own. I'm more comfortable with blue and red. You can make it green or red or green or anything.
So if we select the 15 minutes, then it shows the 15 minutes interval. 15 minutes में what is the highest and lowest opening and closing?
ये है, ये मतलब जो रेड कैंडल है उसमें ओपन ऊपर होता है, क्लोजिंग नीचे होती है. हाई जो है, ये जो विक है, कितना हाई तक जाता है, यहाँ तक.
Yes.
ये दिखा रहा है ना, जैसे ओपन दिखाया 11,411.65, हाई दिखाया 424.65, लो दिखाया 11,403.65, क्लोज आया 404.75.
Day high and day low.
नहीं, 15 मिनट्स हाई एंड लो.
अच्छा 15 minutes and
डेली में करेंगे तो डे हाई एंड डे लो. ये डे हाई एंड डे लो है. डे ओपन है 357.45, हाई है 428.60 एंड लो है 350.
okay. Yes. I understand.
ये सेम थिंग यहाँ पे है. ओपन ऊपर है और क्लोज नीचे है. Open is 10,985 and close is 10,824.65.
Yes.
सेम थिंग, ये डेली है तो ये बहुत बड़ी कैंडल बनी है. ओपन और हाई ऑलमोस्ट सेम है या सेम ही है. ओपन 787 नहीं, हाई 794, ऑलमोस्ट सेम. 787 पे ओपनिंग हुआ, 794 तक गया, 94 पे 4 प्लस 7 पॉइंट्स तक ऊपर गया, उसके बाद नीचे ही आता गया. Close lower. This signifies, this shows a very important candle. Any candle which is very large in size, whether up or down, it shows some significance. Like this candle, ये कैंडल, ये ऊपर, यहाँ पे ओपनिंग हुआ, थोड़ा नीचे गया, फिर ऊपर गया, ऊपर क्लोजिंग मारी. So this candle is also a very important candle. ये वो था जब कोविड के टाइम पे पूरा मार्केट गिर रहा था. एक दिन कुछ अच्छी न्यूज आई, पूरा मार्केट ऊपर गया. Then from next day onwards it started falling down. People were thinking, okay, so this is over and we may start going up. But it took another 1 or 2 months for actually market to go up. मोस्टली जो ट्रेडर्स हैं वो देखते हैं अर्ली चार्ट और 4 आवर्स चार्ट पे, चाहे वो इंट्राडे में देखते हो या शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेडिंग देखते हैं. मोस्टली ट्रेडर्स अर्ली 1 आवर चार्ट को फॉलो करते हैं.
Which chart?
अर्ली टाइम फ्रेम.
Yes.
ये momentum indicator है, which we will learn how to analyze that. ये भी एक momentum indicator है. ये भी momentum indicator है, तो इसको भी ये भी हम सीखेंगे कि इसको ट्रेड कैसे करना है, इस momentum indicator के साथ कैसे ट्रेड करना है, इसके साथ कैसे ट्रेड करना है, और इस कॉम्बिनेशन को कैसे ट्रेड करना है. मैं सिर्फ out of like 100 things, I just watch 4 or 5 things. That's it. Basically, all these are energies in the market. What is an energy? Energy is like at any given point of time, there are certain forces or certain energies, those who are active in the market on every stock, on every price. We will just have to identify these 5-6 energies and then trade in sync with these energies.
Yes.
Okay, anything else you want to learn? So, when do you want to start? Tuesday or Friday or Wednesday or Friday, or there will be some assignments also. I think Tuesdays and Fridays will be much better. We will get some time for homework also and to understand things.
Yes, sir. Tuesday and Friday.
Yeah, sure. Tuesdays and Fridays, most probably from 8:30 or 9 in the evening. For next 1.5 to 2 hours.
9.
8:30 or 9. Or
So
at
9.
least, yeah, 9 will also be good. Okay, so it will be said like 9 to 10:30 or 9 to 11. Is that okay with you? Or 8:30 to 10 or 10:30?
9 to 10:30.
9 to
Because sir, I have to do college work also. I'm doing MBA in marketing.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so 9 to 10:30 will be good.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Anything else you want to ask?
Sir, in this chart, I understand kind of thing.
This is just an introduction. I will teach you everything. What this chart, what every component in this chart is there, how to see this, how to analyze this.
Okay, sir.
You just see that this is one candle represents one particular time frame, whether it is 1 minute or 15 minutes or hour, 1 hour or 1 day or 1 week or 1 month, whatever it is.
Okay, sir.
This is one candle, and we analyze patterns based on these candles, all these candles. And most probably patterns are repeatable patterns, whether we see daily chart or hourly chart or anything. We will see those patterns. Let's go it for 5 minutes. यहाँ पर हम लोग एक पैटर्न देख सकते हैं. Came down, stopped here, then went sideways for some time in a wavy shape, and then came down. यहाँ से ऊपर भी जा सकता था, लेकिन वो नीचे आ गया. Then again from here it went up, went sideways for some time, and then went up. ये है और कुछ चीज. जरूरी नहीं है कि एक पैटर्न जो एक टाइम फ्रेम पे बना हो दूसरे पैटर्न पे भी सेम पैटर्न, दूसरे टाइम फ्रेम पर सेम पैटर्न बनेगा उसी समय पर, लेकिन वैसे सेम पैटर्न्स बनते हैं एट डिफरेंट टाइम डिफरेंट लेवल्स। उनको सिर्फ उन पैटर्न्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, फिर उनके साथ ट्रेड करना
Okay, sir. So by doing practice, we can predict that the this candle, मतलब इस market is going up or down.
है। हाँ, तो वो सब चीजें हम सीखेंगे। लेट्स टेक एसीसी, वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट स्टॉक। हियर इज दिस वन पैटर्न, इसको एक पैटर्न बोल सकते हैं। ये देखो, इसमें तुम्हें कुछ शेप दिखी? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ शेप डू यू सी हियर? कुछ भी, कोई गैस करो, वाइल्ड गैस। किस टाइप की शेप दिखी तुमको?
It was all in a line.
हाँ, ये दोनों लाइंस के बीच में तुमको किस टाइप से कुछ अधूरी शेप दिखी होगी, पर कोई सिमिलैरिटी है किसी शेप से? ये देख लो, ये वाली, ये किस टाइप की शेप दिखी यहाँ पर? चलो इसको हम लोग एक्सटेंड कर देते हैं थोड़ा आगे तक, तो शायद तुमको कुछ ज़्यादा समझ में आएगा। क्या शेप दिखा? ट्रायंगल दिखा?
It, yes, sir. It's made on a triangle, and it's a
Triangle is,
rectangle.
it's a rectangle, it's a triangle. So these are also some repeatable patterns जो हमें धीरे धीरे हम अपने ब्रेन को ट्रेन करते हैं कि हमें वो चीज़ दिखाई दे, और फिर बेस्ड ऑन सर्टेन रूल्स वी ट्रेड दीज पैटर्न।
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पर कुछ दिखा?
Where? Yes, sir. It also made a triangle.
ट्रायंगल, या देखते हैं लायंस में। लायंस को तो मैंने बहुत सारी मार्किंग कर रखी है, ये तो अभी नहीं समझ रहा हूँ। अच्छा, डाटा क्या हम देखते हैं, ये मैं ज़्यादा नहीं देखता। ये देखो, यहाँ पर तुम्हें कुछ दिखा? एनी गेस? बोलो द कर्सर। क्या दिखा? डब्लू? नो?
W.
Yeah, W. W is also one pattern that we trade regularly. Same thing here. to train our brain to see these patterns randomly. Anywhere on the chart, we should be able to identify it. क्योंकि ये symmetrical shapes अब हमें कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलेंगी. We got to see something. Same thing here.
Yes.
Same thing here. Here we have triangle. ठीक है. So
Yes, sir.
from Tuesdays we will start. I will send you this invite.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So good night.
Good night, sir.
Here. Yeah.
Thank
Have
you.
fun. Okay, chalo. Bye.
Bye bye.